Section 1. The Final Frontier, Neptune. Humanity has always looked to the stars. We've landed on the moon. We've sent rovers to Mars. Now, we set our sights on a new frontier, Neptune. The ice giant, shrouded in mystery, beckons with the promise of new beginnings and unimaginable discoveries. But can we, a species born on a planet bathed in sunlight, truly conquer a world where the sun is a distant pinprick of light? Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet from the sun, presents a challenge unlike any we've encountered. Its environment is a maelstrom of extreme temperatures, crushing pressures, and violent storms. Our ingenuity will be pushed to its limits as we endeavor to establish a foothold on this distant world. Yet the human spirit thrives on challenges. The same drive that took us out of the trees and across continents now compels us to reach for the stars. And perhaps, just perhaps, Neptune holds the key to not just our survival but also our transcendence.
Section 2. A storm is brewing. Neptune's atmosphere is a spectacle of raw power. It's a swirling vortex of hydrogen, helium, and methane, whipped into a frenzy by supersonic winds. These winds, the fastest in our solar system, can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Imagine trying to build a house in a tornado that never ends. These storms are not just a threat to structures, they also pose a significant challenge to transportation and communication. Imagine trying to land a spacecraft or even send a message through an atmosphere where the wind could rip you apart or scramble your signal. Overcoming these challenges requires innovation. We need spacecraft capable of withstanding hurricane-force winds and navigating through dense, turbulent clouds. Perhaps we'll develop self-repairing materials or even spacecraft that can adjust their shape and density to withstand the pressure.
Section 3. Breathing in the abyss. On Earth, we take breathing for granted, but on Neptune, the air itself is our enemy. The atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium with traces of methane, not a single breath for a human. We would need to carry our own oxygen everywhere, like scuba divers exploring an alien ocean. This lack of breathable air poses a fundamental challenge to human survival. We can't simply walk around on Neptune without specialized suits or habitats designed to provide us with life-sustaining oxygen. The solution lies in advanced life support systems. Imagine suits that not only provide oxygen but also regulate temperature and filter out toxic gases. These suits would need to be lightweight and flexible, allowing us to explore Neptune's unique environment with ease.
Section 4. Where solid ground is a myth. Neptune is an ice giant, not a rocky planet like Earth or Mars. This means it lacks a solid surface. Instead, it has a slushy, icy mantle beneath its thick atmosphere. Landing on Neptune is like landing on a cloud, disorienting and impossible without the right technology. This lack of solid ground presents a unique challenge for building any kind of permanent structure. We can't just lay foundations and build upwards as we do on Earth. The answer may lie in floating cities. Imagine massive, buoyant structures anchored to Neptune's atmosphere, bobbing gently amidst the swirling clouds. These cities would need to be self-sufficient, capable of generating their own energy and recycling their resources.
Section 5. Humanity's ingenuity, the Neptunian suit. To survive on Neptune, we need more than just a spacesuit, we need a second skin. The Neptunian suit will be a marvel of engineering, protecting us from the harsh realities of this alien world. It'll need to be tough to withstand the extreme pressure and cold. Imagine a suit that can withstand the crushing pressure of Neptune's deep atmosphere, a pressure thousands of times greater than what we experience on Earth. This suit would need to be incredibly durable, yet flexible enough to allow for movement. This suit wouldn't just be a physical barrier, it would be a technological marvel. It'll have to regulate our temperature, keeping us warm in the minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit cold, and it'll have to provide us with breathable air, constantly filtering and recycling the deadly atmosphere around us.
Can we adapt humans to Neptune's extreme environment? Genetic engineering offers a potential solution. Imagine modifying our genes to withstand the cold and process Neptune's atmosphere. We could become a new species, Homo Neptunus, capable of thriving in this alien world. Genetic engineering could enhance our lung capacity, allowing us to extract oxygen from the thin Neptunian air. It could also provide us with natural insulation against the extreme cold, reducing our reliance on bulky external heating systems. However, genetic modification is a path fraught with ethical complexities. Is it ethical to alter the very essence of what makes us human? This is a question we must grapple with as we explore the possibility of genetically adapting ourselves for life on Neptune.
The Sun, our constant companion on Earth, is a distant glimmer on Neptune. Solar power, so vital on Earth, wouldn't be enough to sustain a colony on this dark, frigid world. We need a new power source, something powerful and sustainable. Nuclear fusion, the process that powers the stars themselves, offers a promising solution. Imagine harnessing the power of the atom to create a miniature sun on Neptune, providing us with an almost limitless supply of clean energy. Nuclear fusion would power our cities, our vehicles, and our very lives on Neptune. It would be the lifeblood of our colony, allowing us to thrive in a place where the sun's warmth is a distant memory.
Building on Neptune is impossible. The answer? Floating cities. Imagine massive structures lighter than air soaring through the Neptunian sky. These cities, tethered to atmospheric stabilizers, would be marvels of engineering and sustainability. These cities would need to be entirely self-sufficient, recycling their air and water and growing their own food. They would be biospheres unto themselves, miniature versions of Earth floating in the vastness of space. Imagine looking out your window and seeing the swirling clouds of Neptune, illuminated by the bioluminescent glow of your city. It would be a life unlike anything we know on Earth, a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability.
Neptune, a world of storms and ice, a world of challenges and possibilities. Can we truly make it our home? Can we overcome the extreme weather, the lack of breathable air, the absence of solid ground? The answer lies not in the stars, but in ourselves. Our ingenuity, our resilience, our spirit of exploration, these are the tools we'll need to conquer Neptune. And if we succeed, we'll prove that humanity can not only survive, but thrive, even in the most hostile corners of our universe. So I ask you, is Neptune our future? Is it a stepping stone to the stars or a dead end on our journey into the cosmos? The answer, my friends, is up to us to decide.